In this video, we'll provide you with tips on how to optimize your profile for search engines, create high-quality content that resonates with your audience, and establish a consistent posting schedule that keeps your followers engaged. So buckle up and get ready to take your TikTok game to the next level. Once you have defined your niche, it's time to start optimizing your profile for search engines. Use relevant keywords in your bio and video captions that accurately describe what kind of content users can expect from you. Networking with other TikTok creators within your niche is also essential. Be proactive in engaging with other creators by leaving comments on their videos or collaborating on joint projects. Creating an audience requires high-quality content that captures people's attention and makes them want to follow and engage with you further. Focus on creating unique, original content that showcases who you are as a creator. Consistency is key when growing any social media account. Develop a consistent posting schedule so followers know when they can expect new content from you. By following these tips, you'll be well on your way towards growing an engaged following on TikTok. TikTok is a popular social media platform that has taken the world by storm. It allows users to create and share short-form videos, ranging from dance routines to lip syncs, comedy skits, and more. With over 1 billion active users worldwide and an ever-growing audience base, TikTok offers a unique opportunity for individuals and brands alike to grow their online presence. One of the key features of TikTok is its algorithm-based content discovery system. Unlike other social media platforms where content is displayed based on chronological order or popularity alone, TikTok's algorithm curates personalized feeds for each user based on their viewing habits and interests. This means that even accounts with relatively fewer followers can still gain traction if they consistently produce engaging content that resonates with their target audience. To succeed on TikTok, it's important to understand your target audience and tailor your content accordingly. Creating high-quality videos that are visually appealing, funny or informative will help you get noticed among the millions of daily uploads. Consistency in posting new content regularly also plays a crucial role in growing your account as it helps keep followers engaged. Another way to boost your visibility on TikTok is through networking within the community. Collaborating with other creators within your niche or participating in challenges can help you reach new audiences while building relationships with other influencers. In summary, creating quality content tailored towards specific audiences while remaining consistent in posting schedules will go a long way toward growing an account on TikTok. Understanding the nuances of this platform's algorithm-based curation system along with networking within the community can further enhance success potential by boosting engagement rates beyond existing follower bases, which ultimately leads to greater exposure opportunities overall. Social media has completely revolutionized the way we connect and communicate with others. It has become an integral part of our daily lives and has provided us with endless opportunities to grow our online presence and engage with a wider audience. One key aspect of social media is its ability to provide users with a platform to showcase their creativity and talents. TikTok, in particular, offers an excellent opportunity for content creators to share short-form videos that can quickly go viral. To make the most out of your social media presence on platforms like TikTok, it's essential to focus on building a strong following by consistently posting engaging content that resonates with your target audience. This requires taking time to understand what your followers want from you and creating content that meets those needs. Additionally, networking within your niche can help you gain more visibility and attract new followers interested in similar topics or ideas. Collaborating with other creators or participating in challenges can be great ways of connecting with people who share your interests. Ultimately, succeeding on social media means investing time into understanding how these platforms work and learning how best to use them for your own benefit. By staying up to date on trends, optimizing content for search engines' algorithms, providing high-quality material regularly while being authentic will lead towards growing one's account over time. Followers are a crucial element in growing your TikTok account. Having a large number of followers not only demonstrates social proof but also increases the likelihood of your content being seen by more people. One way to gain new followers is through engagement. Responding to comments and direct messages shows that you value your audience, encourages them to stay engaged, and can improve their perception of your brand. Another strategy is search engine optimization, SEO. By using hashtags related to your niche or industry, you increase the chances of appearing at the top of relevant searches on TikTok. Consistently posting high-quality content with engaging captions can also help attract new followers. Networking with other creators in similar niches or industries can be beneficial as well. Collaborating on videos or shoutouts can introduce each other's audiences and potentially lead to mutual growth. However, it's important not to solely focus on gaining new followers but rather creating an engaged audience that enjoys and shares your content regularly. Quality over quantity should always be a priority for sustainable growth on TikTok. Engagement is key when it comes to growing your TikTok account. It's not just about gaining followers, but also about building a community and connecting with them on a deeper level. So, how can you increase engagement on your videos? Firstly, make sure you're responding to comments and engaging with your audience. This shows that you care about their opinions and value their input. Secondly, try using trending hashtags in your videos. This will help more people discover your content and potentially engage with it. Thirdly, consider collaborating with other creators in your niche. This not only exposes you to their audience but also provides an opportunity for cross-promotion. Don't be afraid to ask for engagement. Encourage viewers to like the video or leave a comment if they enjoyed it. Just be authentic and genuine in your approach. No one likes forced interactions. Search engine optimization, or SEO, is an important aspect to consider when growing your TikTok account. By optimizing your content for search engines, you increase the chances of your videos being discovered by users who are interested in what you have to offer. One way to optimize your content is by using relevant keywords in your video titles and descriptions. This will help search engines like Google and Bing understand what your content is about and make it easier for people to find. Another important factor in SEO is engagement. The more likes, comments, shares and views a video has, the higher it will rank on search engine results pages, SERPs. This means that engaging with your audience through interactive features such as polls and Q&A sessions can boost visibility. Networking with other creators within the same niche also plays a role in increasing visibility through SEO. Collaborating on projects or simply sharing each other's content can lead to increased exposure among audiences searching for related topics. Incorporating SEO tactics into your TikTok strategy can greatly benefit the growth of your account. Networking is a crucial aspect of growing your TikTok account. The first step in networking on TikTok is to identify accounts that align with your niche or industry. Once you have identified these accounts, follow them and engage with their content by liking and commenting on their posts. Here are some tips to help you build a strong following. Firstly, identify your target audience and create content that appeals to them. This will increase the chances of them engaging with your content and sharing it with others who have similar interests. Secondly, collaborate with other creators in your niche. This is a great way to reach new audiences and gain more followers. Thirdly, engage with your current followers by responding to their comments and messages. Fourthly, use hashtags wisely. Research popular hashtags in your niche and include them in your posts to increase visibility among potential followers. Stay consistent with posting quality content that aligns with both the interests of your target audience and TikTok trends. Doing so will help keep existing followers engaged while also attracting new ones over time. One crucial factor in growing your TikTok account is by creating quality content. This means that you need to produce videos that are interesting, engaging, and relevant to your target audience. The first step in producing quality content is understanding your niche. You need to know what kind of videos will resonate with your followers. Are they interested in comedy skits, dance routines, or educational content? Once you have a clear understanding of this, you can start brainstorming ideas for videos. It's also important to pay attention to the technical aspects of video production. Make sure that the lighting and sound quality are good enough so that viewers can hear and see everything clearly. Additionally, ensure that the video length is appropriate, not too long or too short. Another aspect of producing quality content involves keeping up with trends on TikTok. Pay attention to popular hashtags and challenges and try incorporating them into your videos while still staying true to your niche. Don't be afraid to experiment with different types of content. Try out new formats such as duets or reaction videos. Who knows where it might take you? Consistency is key when it comes to growing your TikTok account. Whether you post once a day or once a week, make sure you stick to that schedule so your followers know when to expect new content from you. Engage with your audience by responding to comments and messages, and keep experimenting with different types of content until you find what works best for you. By following these tips on how to grow your TikTok account, you'll be well on your way to increasing both your followers and engagement in no time. Remember that success on social media doesn't happen overnight. It takes hard work, dedication, and a willingness to learn. Keep producing quality content that resonates with your audience, optimize for search engines, network with other creators in the community, and most importantly, have fun.